Hello and welcome to Dancing Numbers. After installing and connecting Dancing Numbers with QuickBooks Desktop, we can start importing, exporting, or deleting the information as required. So today I'm going to click on Start to start exporting the group item from QuickBooks Desktop into Excel. So I choose group item from the list, from the drop down, and click Next. If we need to specify the group name, we can choose that. We can type the name. If we would like to choose a specific date or a year or a month, we can choose that accordingly as well. Or if you would like to export the inactive group items as well, you can do that by selecting the option as well and then click Next. This will show you the group name, the description, what all items that are there, which are the parts of that specific group, and if you would like to choose certain fields, you can choose the certain fields by clicking on Choose Fields as well and click OK and click Next. The final preview is there with all the information that is ready to be exported, with all the information there, and we can click on Export File. Now this will prompt you to select an existing workbook or a new workbook, which you can pick as per your choice and click OK. The group items are now exported into Microsoft Excel with the complete information. Thank you.